Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to answer a specific question sent in by a viewer named QuineH. She is asking for help because she can't delete these triangle points while she is using the edit point for command, and she is wondering what is causing this issue. Selects these points. As you can see, these points are not being recognized, right? These points are not recognized, but the corner points are still recognized. See? But these triangular data points are not properly recognized by the system. So you will need to navigate over to the filter section. That's it. You'll see in the point section here, she is currently selecting boundary. If you have this selected, you should choose all point. Select all point. After that, you will go back to the point section and you will select all these triangle points. Now, the triangle points have been selected. And then in the specific grade rule settings section, you will manually enter the value 1 right here and apply it to your selection. That way, all these points have been removed.